Hello, welcome to PID Maxwell YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing on how to configure the input offset for our controller ME65 series. Now, what is the offset, by the way? So in field application in real industrial world, no sensor is 100% accurate across its entire range. So the wiring, the connectors, and the controller's input circuitry can introduce tiny voltage or resistance errors. This results in the controller reading a temperature slightly different from the actual temperature at the sensor location. So for example, now the temperature read 201 degree, but I'm actually simulating 200 degrees to the controller. So there's a 1 degree off the actual temperature. So the ideal solution, the ideal situation would be the input is 200 and the reading is 200. So there's a function in our controller called input offset. You can set the offset and tells the controller to always add or subtract certain degrees to the raw signal you are receiving from the sensor before you display it or use it for control. So let's go ahead and see how we can configure the input offset. Go to the password 00808. Now this is the input offset value. The factory default is 0.0 because the temperature display 1 degree higher than the actual input. So you can put -1 here. So the display would be exactly the same as. Go ahead and change it to -1. Oops, takes a little while. Yes, -0.1. Now you can see the display changed to 200, which is exactly the same as the input generated